5 p.m. now. I'm going to try to get this the best I can with my phone camera. Look at all these birds. Thousands upon thousands of these birds. I don't know if I can brighten it up. There, that might help. You see it? My stupid camera overheated. So I'm doing they're all for this over. Look, here's some more. They're all like coming together. They're all over here this time. They were all over on that other power line. Holy moly, look at all these birds. Come on, brightness. No, not down, up. What's the deal with all the birds? And lots of pink on the horizon. Let me show you over here, too. That is not the sun simulator. That's just... wow. Wow. The sun is already set. But these birds... they're landing over here instead of on the other power lines. I hope it's coming out. Alright, I'm going to go grab my computer again. They're just flying right over in this area right here. Look at all these birds. Wow. Some are flying over this way and some are going back the other way. And looks like they're just going to circle back around. Maybe. I don't know. Are they going over that way now? It's not. Is it 5 o'clock? Look at all these birds. Look at all these birds. There's something going on. I don't know what. There's that noise that goes off, and then they all scatter. Must be 5 o'clock. There's the 5 o'clock punch out. Look at these birds. I can't get over these birds. Alright, I'm going to try to grab my coat. They went back over here, even though now they're going over this way. What are they doing? I don't think they like something, is what I think. They're a frequency or something. And now they're all going over here. And here they come back over here again. And here comes the other ones over here, and they're meeting up together in the middle. I hope this comes out. Come on, now this video's messing up? I've never had my phone video mess up before. Look at all these birds. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to... oh, look at this over here. I'm gonna have to go down the brightness on this one. Zappity-doo. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. And again, this one ain't going to do it justice. Look at that. And there's a light source in the middle, even though the sun has set. This is on the lowest brightness setting on this thing. And there's another light source up there, too. What's going on? All right, I'll be right back. Thanks for watching. God bless.